So guys, now let's discuss the logical operators. So basically there are many, but I will cover up the most important or widely used logical operators. For example, I create a variable. For example, it's the value is I is equals to true. Okay, and then I create a j is also true. True is just a boolean operator. True, false. Okay, so I choose this and I store in I and j. Now what I want to do, I want to use the logical operator. For example, if I said I and j, so what it does, it print exotic. Sorry, I should put it into this one. Okay, so now if I and j mean, what does this mean? Meaning if both conditions are true, then execute. So this is the whenever you declare and logical operator, means I and j should be, both conditions should be satisfied, both conditions should be true. If any of the condition will, like for example, I is true, j is not true, if any one of them is false, then this statement will not be executed. Okay, now like both I and j are true, let me execute this one. I got exotic. By any chance, if somebody wrote it is like this false, now what will be the output? There's no output, because for and operator the both conditions should be true. Let's make it true again. So now let me copy this to save some time. I want to use the or logical operator. So for all logical operator, any condition can be true, then execute, then it will execute. Okay, so guys, now what it will do, like for example, let me format this code. Okay, so now I is true, j is true, exotic will execute. Just for better understanding, I can write it as a tag. So look, we got the tag and execute exotics. Okay, so tag is executed. So what if both conditions I and j were true? What if any condition is false? Now we know exotic will not be executed, because and operator both conditions should be true. For or, this is not the case, it will still be executed. So for or, like for example, you have 10 conditions. If of any one condition is true, then or will be executed always. Just always check wherever the condition is true, means it has to be executed. Make it simple. For and, like both conditions needs to be true, otherwise it won't execute. So it was so simple. I hope now you understand how the operator works. But also I would like to cover up one thing more before ending this lecture. For example, if not I, what does this mean? Let's print out something. Channel. Look, it prints channel. So what it does, I think it would make sense if I can extend it a bit more. Like, sorry. Look, I got the channel in my output. So the reason is, what if now I is false? Not I means is true. Okay, means I is false. If you put not before false, means the condition is true. That's why it executed the channel. What if I make it as a true? Sorry, true. So now YouTube will execute it. So like means not means I is true. Okay, true, not true. Not true means is false. Okay, so if it's false, then execute channel. If I is false, then execute channel. Otherwise, execute the YouTube. So this is so simple. That's why we got the YouTube in the output. I hope you understand this concept as well. So guys, that's it. We cover up and, or, and not logical operators in these videos. Okay guys, stay tuned. In the next video, most probably I will start the data structure or maybe with classes. So thank you for your time.